This vending machine we are about to export to Thailand. It's with 5 floors of spiral cross and 1 floor of direct push slot with elevator system. 22-inch touch screen, bill validator and coin mesh. Nobody is buying, it will play a full screen video advertisement. Touch to buy. In the buying page, you can upload a half-screen advertisement. On the left top of the screen, you can upload your company logo. On the right top of the machine, you can upload service number. On the left top of each product picture, this is the slot number. Or customer can click product search and enter slot number from purchase. Let me show you the complete purchase process. Completed. It will show the balance and you can click refund or continue to buy. Get the refund.